Sarah and the Lost Elephant. A journey through the jungle. Once upon a time, in the heart of a dense jungle, lived a young girl named Sarah. Sarah loved exploring the jungle and would often venture deep into the forest to find new and exciting things. One day, as Sarah was walking through the jungle, she stumbled upon a baby elephant. The elephant was small and lost, and Sarah immediately felt a connection with the small baby. She decided to help the elephant find its way back to its herd. Sarah and the elephant started their journey through the jungle.